YouTube, I'm Rap from Rap's Garage Shop, and thanks for coming back and watching my videos. I have a tech tip for anyone that's still running these star hubs like I am. So I'm sure anybody that's had a star hub bike in the past realizes that the only way to tighten the lug nuts is with a 7/16 Allen wrench like this. And then you come through here, through the hub, and then you can get on the lug nut like this. And just like that, mine's loose, which I didn't even know that. And I'm going to have to re-torque them. But the problem is the only way to really get any pull on these, because this is so short, is to put a 7/16 wrench here and kind of tug on it to get them tight. You can't get even torque on them when you can't put a torque wrench on them. So my tech tip is going to show you how to get around this. So I take the 7/16 Allen wrench and then I cut the end off of it. So my pneumatic whizzer and my cutoff wheel made quick work of that. Here's what I got now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld this 1/2" nut onto here like that. Then I'll be able to get a socket on here and torque the lug nuts. Remember, it's Rap's Garage Shop, not Rap's Welding Shop. It's been a minute since I've welded. So there it is, all welded on. The total length on this tool ends up being 7 inches. You need that length to be able to get all the way in here to get the lug nut in and out. Now, the thread on this lug nut is 3/8, and general torque for a 3/8 bolt is going to be 25 to 28 foot-pounds. I'm going to torque this at 26. So I come right through the frame here, get on the lug nut. Takes a 7/8 socket. Alright, now that's torqued to 26 foot-pounds. Now I'm going to roll the rear wheel around and check all the rest of them. I hope this video was able to help a few people out there. And please, if you don't mind, do what this says. I appreciate it. And thank you for watching.